Guangxin Zippers, a premium zipper puller manufacturer. Guangxin is like a traveler, constantly exploring and forging ahead, pursuing dreams with determination. Since its founding in 2002, Guangxin has honed itself with the spirit of craftsmanship and sculpted its products with a heart full of love. Today, it has grown into a leading manufacturer of quality zipper pullers. Located in the dreamy water town to the west of Guangzhou, Guangxin Zippers is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates R&D, production, and sales of zipper pullers. The company invests 20% of its annual output value in the development of puller molds and automation equipment, achieving remarkable success. Guangxin was the first to invent fully automated 4-point puller and locomotive production equipment, holding 16 invention and utility model patents. In niche markets, the company has led the way in replacing manual labor with machinery, driving the industry forward. All of the company's zipper pullers have passed the world's most stringent environmental protection equipment tests. In 2019, the production of handbag zipper pullers surpassed 1.1 billion units annually. Thanks. Guangxin boasts a dedicated and creative R&D and manufacturing team. We are passionate and innovative, working closely with our customers to meet their value needs by developing and producing the most compatible zipper pullers, seamlessly integrating them with original bag design concepts. We strictly adhere to ISO international quality standards in our operations, and our data management system is continuously advancing. Meeting customer needs is a mission that all Guangxin employees shoulder with pride. Like a great bird spreading its wings to catch the wind, it's time to sail with the strong breeze. The vastness of the ocean draws its essence from the finest elements. The power of Guangxin Zippers comes from these highlights. The future of Guangxin belongs to all of us. Let's weather the storms together and strive to enrich our lives.